So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can set a connected device limit to your GeoFiber Wi-Fi so that the limited number of Wi-Fi devices can be connected to your Wi-Fi. So no, it may save your data very much. So in order to limit the connected device, you need an application called MyGeo. You can download this application from Play Store or App Store as well in case you are using iOS. It's a free application. You have to download it and sign into it through the registered GeoFiber number, or you can use the fixed line number given to you when you have installed your Wi-Fi. Once you download it and install it and finish the initial steps of sign up, when you open it, it will open something like this. You can see now you have to go to the option of fiber at the top left window. When you go to this option, you can see you are now in the GeoFiber section, GeoFiber section of this application. Just simply go to the option of My Devices, as you can see at the most below of the screen and in the middle. Just simply click on this option and here you are in the Wi-Fi settings. Now in order to set the limit of connected device, you need to scroll down, and here in the Wi-Fi SSID settings you can see your 5 GHz Wi-Fi as well as 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi of which you want to set the limit. Just simply click on the Wi-Fi name, and when you click there you can see in the Wi-Fi editing settings, and here at the most below of the list you can see associated device limit. It's currently set to 30. Just simply click on the edit button and select the limit as per your convenience. You can allow maximum 22 associate devices for Wi-Fi SSID, so it's a limit. So by this method you can easily set the limit of connected device on your Wi-Fi, and you can check the Wi-Fi name over there as well, pair device's name. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.